आंसर, ठीक है। जो जल्दी जल्दी खत्म करें इसको। The table gives some information about four redox reaction, which show correctly gives correct information about what is oxidized and the evidence that this is oxidation. Hmm. So evidence, ठीक है. So which is oxidized? Copper. Copper is, ये बैठ के calculate करो ना. Copper is +2. Copper is 0 over here. So that is reduced. Charge कम हो रहा है. Charge कम हो रहा है. So that is reduced. So A गलत. A is wrong. Forget it. Sodium. What's happening to sodium? Sodium is 0. Over here, sodium is +1. So that definitely loses electrons, right? So B is fine. That is exactly what I said. Sodium lost an electron. Okay. Whenever you lose electrons, your charge increases. Okay. So that's fine. Asagla 25. Which statement about acids and bases are correct? A strong acid reacts with carbonates, but all weak acids do not. इस पे आते हैं बाद में. The oxides of group 1 metals are amphoteric. No, they're not. They're very strongly basic. Group 1 metals ko to kehti, they use the word alkali metals, right? So that's B is definitely incorrect. The pH of 1 mole per dm cube ethanoic acid is higher than the pH of 1 mole per dm cube sulfuric. That's 100% correct. Organic acids are weak acids. तो अगर वीक एसिड का पीएच होगा ना, वीक एसिड का पीएच 7 के करीब होगा. वीक एसिड का जो पीएच होगा ना, दैट्स गोइंग टू बी अराउंड लेट्स से 5. I'll just give it 5, ठीक है. And sulfuric acid is a pretty strong acid. It fully ionizes. So that's a strong acid. Strong acid will have a pH of, let's say, 1. Let's say 1. It will be further away. It's going to be close to 0, strong acids. So this statement is perfectly correct. It's higher than the pH of. Yep, it is higher. So that's fine. I don't think any way this could be wrong in any way. तो वन पे ए जो है वो गलत है. मतलब रिमेंबर एसिड्स के ना 3 रिएक्शंस होते हैं, 3-4. वन इज विद मेटल्स, ये यहाँ पे लिखे हुए भी हैं, ठीक है. Acids, they react with bases, they react with carbonates, they react with metals, they react with ammonia as well, ठीक है. So remember reactions of acids. तो वो सारों के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं. They don't pick and choose.